Hello guys, this is Will from Gengras Volvo in East Hartford. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Apple CarPlay on your new Volvo. Inside your storage cubby here, there are two USB ports. The one you're going to want to use for Apple CarPlay is the one that has the white ring on it. Simply just take your USB plug, plug it in. On your center screen here, it's going to say Apple CarPlay and Volvo. You're just going to accept. Go over to your applications page. Tap on Apple CarPlay. Now, if your phone's locked like mine is, just go in, unlock your phone, and there you go. And just like your phone, you can browse all your different apps, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, and even use the Siri function. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.